In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a full song by building it in parts and then combining everything into one complete track. We'll start by creating part 1 of the song using the create feature. This first section is where you'll enter the opening portion of your lyrics and generate the initial clip. Take a moment here to make sure your lyrics are placed exactly how you want them, because this first generation helps establish the style, tone, and overall direction of the song. If your tool allows you to review the output right away, listen carefully before moving on so you can confirm that the melody, pacing, and vibe fit your vision. Once part 1 is ready, the next step is to continue building the song with the extend option. Instead of starting over, extend helps you keep the same musical flow going, which is especially useful when you want the next section to sound connected and natural. Use extend to create part 2 by adding the next portion of your remaining lyrics. This allows the song to grow from the first clip rather than feeling like a separate idea. As you do this, make sure the lyrics you add match the section you want to hear next, whether that's a verse, a pre-chorus, or another progression in the song. After part 2 has been generated, repeat the same process for part 3 using the rest of your lyrics. Again, use extend so the final section continues smoothly from what came before. This is an important part of shaping a complete song because it keeps the structure consistent and helps the full piece sound intentional from beginning to end. It's a good idea to double check that you've used all your remaining lyrics before generating this section so nothing gets left out. When all 3 parts have been created, go to the final generated clip. Click the More Options menu shown as 3 dots and select Get Whole Song. This step pulls the connected sections together into a complete version of the track, allowing you to move from separate generated parts to one full song. At this stage, you'll have taken your lyrics, built the song section by section, extended it thoughtfully,